Here is the Wolverine slide and negative scanner, and I'm making this little video because it's kind of hard to, get a sense of how these work just from pictures or descriptions. The Wolverine is a lot like a digital camera. It turns on and off. It probably has a little digital camera inside that's rigged up specifically to take pictures of negatives and slides. It does not have a battery. It has to plug in with this USB power. It can go into a computer or into an electrical outlet with a USB adapter thingy. But importantly, it doesn't connect to the computer. It's a complete standalone unit. It has a little SD card in it, just like a digital camera. So as it takes the photos, it puts it onto the digital camera, and that inserts onto the SD card, which inserts a lot like it does into a digital camera. Okay, so once that's in there, you turn it on. Comes on with this little screen. The screen is a lot like a digital camera, and like some digital cameras, it's not super easy to figure out what you want to do. But on the other hand, there's not that many options. There is a manual online. I'm going to come down here and choose between slides and negatives. We'll go here to slides and come back, and we're ready. It's waiting to take a picture. So it's got this little handy carrying case. Open it up, drop your slides in there, and close it. Follow the arrow, scoot it in the little thing here, and it zooms in on your little picture. Looks like I've got the picture upside down. It can deal with that. Oops, that's the lighting setting. That's nice too, but here's the upside down picture setting. That's what we want. And at that point, it's ready to go. So I just press the button. It says take a picture, and I say save. And I move on to the next one. You can get into a pretty good groove about this. I was doing something like 6 a minute at my peak, I think. And honestly, most of that time was filling up the tray and putting the slides back in order when I'm done. The tray thing has little notches on it, so you get some tactile feedback when your slide is probably focused. And there we just did 4 slides, so then we would undo it. It's got a negative scanner, works the same way. Put your negative on there. It's got little clippy things to hold your negatives in place. And yeah, works the same way. You actually can view them on here, just like you can on a digital camera, but probably what you're going to do is either put the SD card into your SD card reader, or just plug this in just like a digital camera. It is a SD card reader itself, so you can plug that in and it mounts just like a camera would on your computer. So there you go.